Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video, I'm going to show you our interactive PowerPoint. See, being an online teacher, what you are struggling, you have maybe 20 or 30 students with you. And now you want to include an activity where you need to have differentiation. For example, you have 10 students who are really high achiever, 10 who are average, and 10 who are below average. So how you can show the participation of all the student, plus you will individually giving attention to all the three groups. So that's how I came up with the idea of the interactive PowerPoint. What you need to do, you need to make a simple PowerPoint. I will show you. 1 minute. Now this is the PowerPoint in front of you. This is a simple PowerPoint which I made. I written down at the top group number 1, then I have written the question. Now what you need to do, group number 1, you give a like the high achiever group, you give something which is taking time because they are the sharp student, they will do it quickly. So include some questions which take time, which include high order thinking. Then you write down their name and make the boxes for them. Now maybe group number 2, you will see the students who are little low and you need to give some drawing activity or just the simple question, you include there, write down their name. Then group 3, maybe the students who are really fast and you need to include 2-3 questions in them, you give them this work. Then group number 4 group number 4, where you will include, it's totally depend how you want to divide the group. Now I've divided the group, I've given them different work. I've prepared a PowerPoint. Now what you need to do, you need to save the PowerPoint somewhere. For example, I have saved somewhere in my folder online. You need to have a space online in your drive. So you just go to and check in the internet how to have a online drive. So you have an online drive where you just save your PowerPoint. Now you just go to the share option and you just you say, right, anyone with the link can use this, and then you copy the link. So what you need to do, you need to share this one drive link with your students, and now the students can enter in the PowerPoint, and like student 1 can write here whatever he wants to write, and then student 2 can write here whatever he wants to write, like that. So as a teacher, you can correct the same time, you can see which student is writing, which student is not writing, because being an online teacher, we can't see what the students are doing in the notebook. You can say, Miss, I've done, and they must have not done. So that's how you including all the students, you can give the different activities, and still you can see in that you can include a drawing activity, you can include a difference between the two things activity, or maybe you can give a research work. You can give a research work to one group, second group, third group. They are doing the individual research, still the work is coming together in one PowerPoint. So that's how you can include all the student work in one PowerPoint, and they are working from their home, but they are working in a group, they are working together. So that is a collaborative PowerPoint. And if you still have any doubt how you need to share, I'm telling the step one by one. First, you make a PowerPoint, share the PowerPoint in your drive, the online space you have somewhere. Share the link of the that folder in the drive with your student. Then your student can enter in that and can work over there. I hope I'm able to clear how you can make them work together. They are not in front of you, they are not together, still they are working in the group, and you are able to track the, you can say, work of individual student. I hope you like the video. If you like the video for whatsoever reason, give me a thumbs up and write down your comment in the comment box. Thank you. Keep growing in your career, keep supporting each other, keep sharing your experience. Have a nice day. Bye bye.